Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I feel like it's been a really long time since I did any kind of video other than cleaning. It seems like that's all I've been filming anymore, and I want to apologize for that. So as you know, my channel actually started out as a beauty channel. I actually had a couple different YouTube channels going on. And then I started focusing more on this one, which was originally called Lady Luck Tutorials, where I just focused on hair and makeup tutorials and product reviews. And then I moved on from that and just started doing lifestyle videos like cleaning, cooking, grocery hauls, and then also mixing in like day in the life videos with some get ready with me videos here and there and a couple of unboxings here and there. But my channel originally started out as a hair and makeup channel. So today I decided to do a little product review for y'all. Actually, I have two products I want to talk to y'all about. I'm gonna insert a little clip in here of when they were fresh in the box. I always like to show y'all what products look like inside the box, like untouched before I destroy them. So I'm gonna insert that clip here. Okay, hi, it's me in voiceover form now. So these clips are from the very first day that I got the package with the two items in there. I like to show how nicely things are packaged before I open them because I just feel like it's important sometimes to see how companies package their items. So these two items are from the brand FHI, and these are the two hair products I'm going to be showing y'all today. The first one is the FHI Heat Blow Drying and Styling Brush, and then we also have the FHI Heat Styling Iron, and this is called the Curve. This drying brush locks in moisture while eliminating frizz. It has a powerful airflow and it has heated plates to provide a smooth and polished finish. This is like a two-in-one kind of tool because you can brush and dry your hair all at the same time. And next up we have the Curve, which is a 1-inch styling iron. You can use this to smooth, straighten, curl, or wave your hair. It instantly locks in moisture, leaving your hair healthy and hydrated, and it heats up super fast, which I love. So the first thing I'm going to be showing you guys is the FHI Heat Blow Drying Brush. I am obsessed with this brush. This cuts down my blow dry time, my straightening time, if I'm gonna straighten my hair that day, and style time, because this kind of does it all for me. Now, unless I'm going for that extra sleek straightened look, then I will go in with the straightener, which I'll probably do today just to do a little demo on the straightener. But this blow dry brush is insanely amazing, and it's actually one of those products that I feel like has been missing from my life. It's something that I never knew I needed, and now that I got it, I'm like, I love you. So I'm gonna show you how it works. I gotta plug it in really quick. Let me get a little sippy sip of my HEB brand green tea. Okay, so anyways, at the bottom here is how you turn it on. So it's got high, medium, and low. It does have some sound to it, as you can hear. We've got the little bristles there. I can feel the heat coming out, and I'm gonna start doing my hair. And I am officially done. I love that I can use the brush to style my bangs back, and also to add like a little bit of volume up at the top. I am obsessed with this brush. It makes my hair so smooth and straight and less frizz, and it just helps me to like style my hair a little bit better. That way it kind of looks like I have a little bit of a hairdo. So yeah, this is the FHI blow dryer brush, and now I'm going to show you the FHI curve. Okay, so even though the blow drying brush made my hair look amazing, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little demo of the FHI heat curve. This is the curve, and it's a hair straightener. So over here is the on and off button, and actually those the off and on button has the plus and minus, so you can turn it up or turn it down that way. It actually shows you on the little digital display here how fast it's heating up. I really don't need to go too high with the heat because I really don't need major straightening today. Plus my hair is on the thinner side, so we don't need it to be very hot. So I love that it's got this curve here. It feels so comfortable in your hand, and also it is so smooth to the touch. It feels really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start at the top here. Make my way down. Just smooth it out. Give it an extra straight look. So I have long hair, but my hair is really fine. So it never takes me too long to do things like this. So yeah, this is actually a really good hair straightener. My hair is kind of naturally straight, but kind of naturally frizzy at the same time. But the blow dryer works so well on my hair that I really don't need the straightener. I figured I would just go ahead and show it to you anyway and just do a quick little demo. If you have a different texture of hair or different thickness, I recommend looking up reviews on maybe with someone else who has similar hair to yours. That way you can get an idea of how it would work on your hair type. But I absolutely love both of these products. I would have to say that the blow dryer brush is my favorite because it blow dries and smooths it out at the same time, which eliminates the need for a straightener. But when I want that super sleek, like super straight look, then I will go over it with the straightener if needed for the day. I live in Houston, Texas, so the weather is crazy and it's humid here, and my hair texture and needs change with the weather. Anyways, yeah, so I'll have these linked down below if you want to check them out. They're both from FHI. I highly recommend the blow dryer brush if you're looking for a new straightener. This is actually a really good straightener. Love the design and the feel of it in my hand, and they both work really well. So I hope y'all enjoyed me switching it up for the day. I'm gonna have a playlist down below. I know a lot of you are subscribed to my channel probably because of my lifestyle videos, but if you're interested in checking out any of my hair tutorials over the years, I have so many, so many. I will have them down below in a playlist, all of my hair tutorials and like hair product reviews. If you want to check them out, they'll be linked down below in the description. My hair feels so soft and so smooth, and it looks so nice. And I love it. So anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was short, but it was short and sweet like me. If you like this video, give it a like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you like this video or any of my other content, subscribe to my channel. Leave me some comments down below because as always, I would love to hear from you. And again, I'm gonna have the links down below for the FHI products and also my hair tutorial playlist if you wanna check them out. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.